Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here, and we are going to fly the Yak 130. I bent the landing gear last time, and I'm afraid I will have bad landings today, but it's worth a try. This battery sucks. I feel like there's no power. Still fast, still doing it. Nose heavy. Really, I feel like there is no power. I'm flying it at 75% throttle all the time. So it's either to tweak the oh, it's diving. It's either to tweak the throttle curves or get a new battery maybe. I'm going to crash it today. It looks like that. Whew, it's fast. I'm out of practice, really. Flying jets really needs practice. So far so good. I am getting used to it. It's coming. Nice tracking. I just don't like to do aerobatics on jets. It's very, very fast. Ah, that's too high. Alright, that is the only aerobatics I wanted to do. One more pass and we are landing. That is enough aerobatics. Alright, pulling the flaps down. Are the wheels out? Last time I had trouble with the wheels. Sweet landing! They are out. Okay, that was nice. I am definitely out of practice, man.
you.